or knowledge-based industries. While it is no doubt a matter of pride for Pradesh, Kerala, and I'd like to take a minute to thank my friend Dino Hare, chairman of the US IBC, for bringing this very high-level US business delegation to this summit.
First, welcome in. May I now request
Karnataka, Kerala, and Pondicherry.
We have sought from Congress and received authority to waive sanctions, which was lacking in the original legislation. And we have also worked diligently to encourage our government to begin using that authority to ease sanctions at the earliest possible date. The bilateral discussions between India and the United States should result in...
There are challenges ahead, and we remain committed to participating in the process of global integration and reform of the world economic order. It is only through these processes that the full potential of the Indian economy can be realized. In the last decade of this millennium, which now ends,